Red Magic.
What's good, traders?
Grand Rising traders.
Welcome back for the first time if you're new here.
I'm Rosie Red, co-founder of Red Magic.
I'm French Lucas, CEO and co-founder of Red Magic.
You're watching Red Magic channel and this is the Red Shift,
a show where you can learn how to trade with Red Magic indicators.
I'm sure you read the legal disclaimer, but remember, we don't know nothing about trading.
This is general education only. There are no financial advices on this channel.
Always use a demo account to trade. Never risk your hard-earned money. Today we're looking at Euro USD 15 minutes chart.
And you're going to learn how to trade with Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator.
With that being said, French is going to start this tutorial now.
Thank you, Rosie. As you can see, Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator is already loaded on the chart, but if not, click on Indicators button, select Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator, then click on the Add to button. Or, click on the Charts Templates tab, then select Red Magic Strategy Charts Template, then click on Apply to button. Now we're going to take a look at some Red Magic Trading Sessions features. Click on Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator, then click on Configure. Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator displays boxes of 3 hours, 1 hour before the open followed by the first 2 hours of the session. For example, this is the Asian session box. 3 hours on a 15 minutes chart represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles. You're looking at the US session 3 hours window here. Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator allows you to see instantly the high and the low of a session. This is the US session low and you've got the US session high here. In this example, the Europe session first candle is above this red cross and the Europe session last candle is below this other red cross. Now if you look at the parameters on the left of your screen, you notice that the first parameter is the time zone offset. You can adjust the display time of the trading sessions according to your time zone. A time zone offset of 00 means there will be no offset compared to Paris time. A time zone offset of 06 means there will be an offset of 6 hours compared to Paris time. If I tick the time zone offset as 01 box, there is now an offset of 1 hour compared to Paris time. 1 hour on a 15 minutes chart represent 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. I'm going to put a red cross under the new Europe session first candle. I'm doing the same thing above the new Europe session last candle. Same principle here. If I tick the time zone offset as 02 box, there is now an offset of 2 hours compared to Paris time. The new Europe session start is located 1, 2, 3, 4 candles after. I mark out the first candle with a red cross. I'm doing the same thing for the Europe session last candle, which ends now 1 hour later. You can set a time zone offset up to 23 hours. Rosie is going to show you the rest of the features now.
Thank you, French. Untick this box if you want to make the sessions ranges disappear or tick it to display them. Tick this box if you want to display the sessions ranges prices or untick it to make them disappear. Tick this box if you want to draw the Asian session range extension or untick it to make it disappear. You can do the same thing with the Europe session and of course with the US session range extension. You can change the sessions box's color here. In this example, I'm changing the color from green to medium gray, setting the Asian session red, green, and blue color value parameters to 150, 125, and 125. Here I'm changing the color from blue to light gray, setting the Europe session red, green, and blue color value parameters to 175, 175, and 175. In this last example, I'm changing the color from yellow to white, setting the US session red, green, and blue color value parameters to 255, 255, and 255. Now you may think, okay, cool, but how am I going to make virtual money with this thing? Well, spoiler alert. French is going to show you this now with ProRealTime V12 simulated live trading feature.
I couldn't agree more. Like I said earlier, Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator allows you to see instantly the high and the low of a session. I'll put a red cross here at the high. And here, at the low of the Asian session. The idea is to position myself at the Asian session low. Every time price is making a pullback at this level, I'm going to take a trade. As you can see here, my simulated capital is 10,000 euros. I haven't made any profits and I haven't taken any trade yet. Rosie's already given her thoughts on it. You're looking at Euro USD, 15 minutes chart. We've got CPI on the calendar today. I'm gonna place a first 2.34 contracts sell order at the price Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator gave me, which is 1.06200. Let's speed things up. My order has been executed. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a 9.1 pips stop loss now. I'm gonna place a second 2.34 contracts sell order at the Asian session low, which means 1.06200. Let's speed things up again. My order has been executed. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a 9.1 pips stop loss like the first time. I'm gonna place a third 2.34 contracts sell order at the price Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator gave me, which is 1.06200. Let's make another fast forward. My order has been executed. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a 9.1 pips stop loss. I'm gonna place a fourth 2.34 contract sell order at the Asian session low, which means 1.06200. Let's accelerate now. My order has been executed. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a 9.1 pips stop loss like last time. I'm gonna make another speed change. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a fifth and final 2.34 contracts sell order at the price Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator gave me, which is 1.06200. I'm gonna speed things up again. My order has been executed. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Let's place a final 9.1 pips stop loss. Okay, so at this point I open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions of 2.34 contracts. Each position has a stop loss of 20 euros and 5 cents. 20 euros and 5 cents by 5 equals a total risk of 100 euros and 25 cents. Now it's time to set a limit to this trade. Like I said earlier, we've got CPI on the calendar today. I'll set my limit around 90 pips lower. If you look here, you can follow the latent P&L capital percentage and the latent P&L amount. I'm gonna make one last fast forward. Price is making a pullback just below our stop loss, minutes before CPI news is released. And down we go. We're instantly up 3%. 5% profit. Back at 3%. 5% return. That's a 7% gain so far. 8% profit? Really? Price is in a range now. We're back at 7%. Banks finally resume the trend. 10% profit target hit in 10 hours. If you look here, you may remember that each position had a risk of 20 euros and 5 cents. 20 euros and 5 cents by 5 equals a total risk of 100 euros and 25 cents. 100 euros and 25 cents divided by 10,000 euros equals a total risk of 1.003%. As you can see now, my simulated capital is 11,048 euros and 20 cents. I've made a 1,048 euros and 20 cents profit, and I've taken one trade divided in 5 positions. 1,048 euros and 20 cents divided by 10,000 euros equals a 10.48% profit.
10% in one trade. That's a prop firm challenge completed in one trade. Think about this, traders.
If you like Red Magic Trading Sessions indicator, check out our risk-free 30-day trial offer on ProRealTime Marketplace. The link is in the description below.
If you want us to code a ProRealTime indicator for you, contact us on our ProRealTime Marketplace vendors page or at redmagicchannel@gmail.com. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.